Welcome to our channel Basic Starter 3, Social Media Marketing Foundation. What is social media? People's connecting with each other online, to share thoughts, resources and media.
Subscribe our digital media.
Do your like our video content, like, comment, share. Our digital media.
Let's dive into social media marketing.
How does social media helps to develop our business? There are many advantages to cultivating your brand on social media, including that it can help you improve your customer service, allow you to communicate with customers and prospects on a new level, help you engage your audience and reach new audiences, help you build authority, and drive traffic to your website. Does social media impact all areas of business? Even to take feedbacks from the customers and to change the business model according to your customer taste and preference. For small scale and startups, it creates incredibility for small business. Reviews, insights, feedbacks, helps to take easy decisions. For large scale and medium scale business, helps to connecting new set of audience, new demographics, to see the massive sales increase to the entire new generation completely in different way. Paid media refers to external marketing efforts that involve a paid placement. Paid media includes PPC advertising, branded content, and display ads. Paid media is an essential component of revenue growth and brand awareness for online businesses. Channels like social media and blogs are extensions of your website, and all three are extensions of your brand as a whole. The more owned media you have, the more chances you have to extend your brand presence in the digital sphere. Earned media cannot be bought or owned, it can only be gained organically, when content receives recognition and a following through communication channels such as social media and word of mouth. Earned media often refers specifically to publicity gained through editorial influence of various kinds. Digital marketing mix.
Subscribe our channel by clicking bell icon. For workshop and guest lectures visit our site. Thank you.